Good morning, children. Now we are going to learn English subject. We already finished the portion, children. English portion all finished. So now revision. Okay. Revision. Revision, children. Now revision. We have finished the portions. English portions all finished. Now revisions. Revision. First. Have you all know small ABCD? A to Z. Small ABCD A to Z. Have you remembered this one, children? Have you all know? Say, what is this? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is small letter alphabet, small letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is small letter. Have you all read this one, children? Have you all read in UKG class itself? Have you all know this one? Okay. Now we pass on to next. This is revision only, children. We already finished the portion. So this is revision. Okay. Now present tense and past tense. Present tense and past tense. What is present tense and what is past tense, children? Have you know what is present tense? Present tense means now. What is going on now is present tense. Past tense means that is finished. Yesterday what we have done, no, that is finished. That finished one is past tense. Present tense means present tense na இப்போ நடந்துட்டு இருக்கிறது தான் present tense. Past tense na முடிஞ்சு போனது. நேத்து முந்தானத்துல ஏதோ பண்ணிருப்போம்ல, அது முடிஞ்சு போனது வந்து past tense. That finished, no, that is past tense. Present tense means இப்போ நடந்துட்டு இருக்கிறது present tense. That is நிகழ்காலம். This one is நிகழ்காலம். In Tamil, நிகழ்காலம். This one is இறந்த காலம். இறந்த காலம் means what? முடிஞ்சு போனது, past tense. Okay. Now here see first one, come. Next, go. For this you have to write past tense. This is present tense. Here you have to write the past tense. See, eat, drink, run, is, here see, come is present tense. For that present tense, what is past tense? Came, C-A-M-E, came. Come, present tense. Now you are coming. That is present tense. Came. Yesterday you came. in that place. They are saying no, yesterday you came that place. That is past tense, that finished yesterday. So that is past tense. Here go means now they are going. Went means already they went there in that particular place, already they went. Go means now they are going. That is present. Went is past tense. See means present tense. See, now we are seeing. No, that is present tense. Saw, yesterday I saw 2 birds in the tree. Like that we are saying no, that is past tense. Saw is the past tense. See, present tense. Eat. For eat, past tense is ate. Now you are eating, no. That is present tense. Morning you ate breakfast. What you ate morning? Like that they ask. For that what you say? I ate morning 2 idlis or 2 dosa. Like that you say no. That is past tense. Nadandu mudindadu. That is past tense. Drink. Drink means now. Drank means that is finished. Morning I drank 1 cup of milk. Now I am drinking water. Like that you are saying no, it is present tense. This one is past tense. Here run, past tense, ran. Okay, is past tense, was. Eat, come, came. Came what spelling? C-A-M-E, came. Go. For that past tense what? Went. W-E-N-T, went. See. For that past tense saw. S-A-W, saw. Here eat. This one is present tense. Ate. It is past tense. A-T-E, ate. Drink. D-R-I-N-K, drink. Past tense is drank. D-R-A-N-K. Run. R-U-N, run. Past tense ran. R-A-N, ran. Yes, is present tense. Was, that is past tense. W-A-S, that is past tense. So, have you all understand, children, present tense and past tense? Have you all understand? Yes. Have you all finished this one? Present tense, past tense, all finished. Have you all finished this one, children? Write neatly. Take your English note and write. Okay. All take your English note and write. Write the heading, revision. Okay. Then present tense and past tense. Here come, came, go, went, see, saw, eat, ate, drink, drank, run, ran, is, was. Okay. This is present tense. This is past tense. Okay, children, have you all finished this one? Okay. Next we see. Okay. This is revision only, children. Okay. Now singular, plural. Singular, plurals. Singular, plural. Singular means what? Only one. Plural means more than one. That is 2, 3, 4 or 5. That is plural. Singular means only one. Fan. For that you have to write plural. Book. Cat. Chair. Leaf. dog. Take a note and write, children. This one is singular. For that you have to write plural. Here see, this one is singular. Fan, F-A-N, fan. For that you have to write plural. Fan means only one. So, two or more means what you have to write? Fans. For that you have to add yes. So, fans. Book, only one book. Plural means books. Cat, only one cat. Two or more cat means cat. C-A-T-S, cats. Chair, only one chair. So, two or more means you should add yes, chairs. Lion, only one lion. If there are more means what you have to say? Lions. Okay, next, dog, dogs. Pen, pens. Bag, bags. Bird, only one bird means bird. Two or more means what you have to say? Birds. Pencil, pencils. If you are having one pencil means what you have to say? Pencil. If you are having two or more means what you have to say? Pencils. Okay. This is singular, plural. Singular means only one. I have already told this and all I have already told you, children. Okay. So revision only this one. Singular, plural. Singular means only one. Plural means more than one. It is plural. So fan. What is the spelling for fan? Say F-A-N. Fan. Next one for plural. Fans. F-A-N-S. Fans. Fan. Fans. Book. What is the spelling? Say B-O-O-K. Book. Plural. Books. B-O-O-K-S. Books. Understand, children? Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Cats. C-A-T-S. Cats. Okay. Next. Chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Only one means chair. More than one means chairs. C-H-A-I-R-S. Chairs. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Only one. More than one. That is lions. L-I-O-N-S. Lions. Next. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Only one. More than one means D-O-G-S. Dogs. Pen. P-E-N. Pen. Plural. Pens. P-E-N-S. Pens. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. Plural. Bags. B-A-G-S. Bags. Next, bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Plural form B-I-R-D-S. Birds. Here see pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Plural P-E-N-C-I-L-S. Pencils. Okay, have you all finished writing this one, children? Singular, plural. Fan, fans. Book, books. Cat, cats. Chair, chairs. Lion, lions. Dog, dogs. Pen, pens. Bag, bags. Bird, birds. Pencil, pencils. This is singular, plural. Have you all finished writing this one? Have you all finished, children? Okay. This is homework, children. Okay, take a note and write. In singular, plural, I am giving homework. You have to finish this one. Okay, first one. Ball. For that you have to write plurals. Coin. Bat. Hat. Pen. Pen. Hen. Table. Star. This is homework, children. See here. Ball. This is singular. You have to write here plural form. Ball means balls. So for that you should add yes. So ball. See here and write. As it is you write and add yes. That is balls. Okay. Here see coin. Here coins. Yes, you should add. Bat. Bats. Hat. Hats. Hen. Hens. Table. Tables. Star. Stars. Okay. Understand, children? This is homework. You should write. Understand, children? Have you all understand this one? This is homework, children. Ball. Balls. Coin. Coins. Bat. Bats. Hat. Hats. Hen. Hens. Table. Tables. Star. Stars. This you have to finish here. Okay. Have you all finished this one, children? This is homework for you. All should write, children. Okay. I will ask in the next class. Okay. Okay, next. Here's a missing letter. What is this? Missing letter. First one. V-A-L-L-I. What is this? Valli. For that, A is missing. Valli. Okay. Second one. Chintu. C-H-I-N-T-U. Here N. Next. Daisy. D-A-I-S-Y. Daisy. Have you remembered that story, children? Valli and Chintu. Which flower they saw? Say the answer, children. Which flower they saw? Valli and Chintu. Daisy flower. That is yellow color. Yellow color daisy flower only they saw, no? Have you remember? Have you all forgot? Huh? Very bad. Okay. Next one. P-A-R-K. Park. Next, field. Valli and Chintu, where they went? Remember that story, children? Have you all remembered that story? Where they went? They went in the field, no? That only. Field. F-I-E-L-D. Field. So, Valli, V-A-L-L-I. Valli, Chintu, Daisy, Park, field. So, all take a note and write this one, children. We will continue in the next class. Okay. Thank you.